Please allow us to introduce you our wood stacking machine. Installed after pallet notcher and wood saw machine, wood stacking machine has advantages of high efficiency and low consumption. The whole line consists of unscrabbler, stacking area, and a conveyor. 8 to 12 layers of wood boards can be stacked in 1 minute. Timbers within 900 mm to 1500 mm in length and 800 mm to 1200 mm in width are all suitable for our machine. One operator is enough for the whole line. ZZ Chryso focuses on the research and development, design, and sales of woodworking machine. Since foundation, our products have served more than 80 countries. Excellent product quality and professional after-sales service have won us widespread praise from customers. Integrity management, quality first, is our consistent principle. A great experience of work in woodworking machine allows us to offer the optimal solutions for your business projects. We pay attention to all aspects: equipment reliability, capacity, and a reasonable price, as well as traditions and national habits. Our professional team of quality control and passionate after-sales service members will continue to keep tracking of each order scientifically, so as to provide high-speed services for customers. All members of ZZ Chryso welcome global clients and are willing to establish long-term friendly cooperation relations with global customers. We will strive to produce more high-quality products and repay the trust of our customers. We are your reliable business partner here.